Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashim. This is today's full body workout. I've labeled it as working both ends of the rep range because a lot of us strength trainees, when we train, we do singles, doubles, triples, maybe 4 or 5 reps at the most with all our heavy lifts, and then that's not the end of training. We have to work on other rep ranges as well. So a lot of the other exercises that I do with higher rep ranges. For example, when I do shrugs, I do 15 to 20 reps, or either I will do 50 to 20 reps or I'll do something less than 5 reps, but most of the time I stick to 15 to 20 reps. In fact, for a lot of hypertrophy purposes, I stick to reps on the higher side. So first off, I started off with Eric Troy's row medley, high to low rows followed by low to high rows, face pulls, and then seated cable rows. And then I did some trap work using dumbbell shrugs. Then there were reverse lunges, cable pull throughs. So I supersetted reverse lunges and bicep curls just because of availability of equipment. Today the gym was extraordinarily crowded. It's Monday, and Monday means chest day universally wherever you are on this planet. So everybody was doing chest. There were a few of us doing back, but then again I didn't stick to back, right? And some people who were smart and decided to go against everyone else decided to do legs. So they were doing squats and lunges themselves. So I worked in with them. But again, it was a crowded gym. So yeah, bicep curls, and then I did some dips, some parallel bar dips, and then I did my hip extensions for just one set, and I called it a day. I think my new pre-workout meal for deadlifts is going to be a bagel and cream cheese. I think it's awesome. It worked wonders. I'm a little nervous about this workout because I'm not sure how I'm going to feel tomorrow. If you guys have followed my training for a while, you guys will know that this workout was supposed to be done on Sunday, but Sunday I had a lot of commitments, and Saturday night is deadlifts. Sunday morning was supposed to be this workout, but it got pushed back to Monday night. So I'm doing this workout on Monday, and I'm going to be training tomorrow, which is Tuesday night and Wednesday night. So 3 nights back to back. Wednesday night I'm going to take it easy for the most part. Oh, by the way, these reverse lunges burn is insane. As far as squats go for tomorrow, Tuesday, I'm going to be doing a light workout, just 3 sets of 8 reps. In fact, my entire workout might be just doing 3 sets of 8 reps of front squats, and that's it. So let's see what happens. Like I said, I'm very nervous about the repercussions of all this on my lower back. But you know what? This gave me I was able to think about some stuff. So this whole workout, there's a lot of sets, but I've only taken one clip per exercise, and it's going to be just one set. That's what I've put in over here. But on the whole, the volume is really, really high. Now this workout is supposed to be done on Sunday, and Sunday I get a lot of time to train. I get close to 2.5 hours. But this entire workout got done in 90 minutes. So I think that on Sunday, when I have time, I will probably be doing weighted pull-ups before this, just to start off with. So I'm going to do some heavy weighted pull-ups, and then I'm going to do the remaining part of this workout, everything. It was a good workout. I think on Sunday I might be more sluggish, though today I felt really good. And now I'm doing biceps after so long. I hope I fire up these guns. No, I want to improve in general in just about walking around with quality muscle. So I do a lot of gripper training for a stronger crushing grip, and I do forearm work for that, and I do gripper training, like actual Captains of Crush gripper training from Iron Mind. I do that 5 days a week, and I do 2 days of forearm work. So I figured that this bicep stuff can be accounted in that forearm work, because biceps do get hit. I did more curls with my left arm because, as you guys know, being a right-handed person, I have very poor left-hand coordination, so I'm working on that. At one time when I was doing pistol squats, I remember doing so much left leg pistol squats, squatting on my left leg, that at the end of it I became better with my left leg than with my right. And even right now with this injury, I'm avoiding pistol squats, but I love pistol squats, and if I was to do them, I'd do them perfectly with my left leg, and then with my right leg I would be leaning more towards one side, just for balance, so there's more stability on one side. So yeah, these are dips. There wasn't any shoulder pain as such, so that's good. Like I said, I'm just nervous about Saturday and how my lower back is going to hold up. So let's hope everything goes well. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. This is hip extensions, and then we're done. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.